Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. Today we're going to be removing the storage compartment that is underneath this flap here so that we can make room for that battery for the solar setup that I was talking about. And it's also a project that I've been wanting to do anyway, and it works out perfectly with this STI bumper, or the ST bumper, because it gives me more space underneath there. So I'm gonna get started and I'll get back to you on what I come up with. To make room for that battery that I'm gonna have to install, I'm gonna have to take this storage compartment out, and I'm going to use a piece of corrugated plastic left over from that previous project to put just right here over the flat part. So all that's gonna take is removing these screws or these bolts here, taking it out, tracing this onto that plastic and cutting it out. So that hopefully goes smoothly, and I will show you what that looks like. Now that I got this lifted up out of the way, you can see that this just held on by these two clips. That one was broken when I came to it. That one wasn't broken, but you can see that it kind of has a ridge on it, so it just kind of goes in between there and holds it in place. So you can see there the holes, the bolts I'm gonna have to take out, and until I get the tripod that I'd like to get, I'm just gonna have to not do any work on camera and show you what it looks like, but it won't be too hard to get these off. Pretty self-explanatory. And there it is out of the car. Got a big hole there, which I can easily fill with that plastic stuff. And I did end up having to take this off because of a clearance issue. It would not come out without taking this out, which was easy because there's just 4 of those little push pins that we all love so much. And then it just, you gotta kind of pull it up and out because you got these clips here that go into these holes there. But it pulled out pretty simple. So I'm looking forward to getting that piece here traced onto a piece of plastic and getting it cut out. Looks like Ford did use like a foam sealer around the edge. I might do that, I might not. Probably won't need to with that flat bottom that I got on there now. That'll keep anything from going up into that, but it might also just be for insulation too, so we'll see what I decide to do. Alright, well there it is, all ready to be bolted in place. But I thought it'd be a fun idea, this is something I haven't talked about in a while, is weight reduction. I've been so focused on other projects. This was one of the things that I thought might reduce weight I've been thinking about doing for a while. So this is kind of putting the battery in, kind of does 2 things. It gives me a chance to do this, although we're adding weight with the battery and inverter and all that stuff. At least we're maybe getting rid of a couple ounces maybe. So I'm gonna go try to put these on my wife's food scale, and hopefully she doesn't yell at me. Okay, so here's that tub that I took out with that little compartment that holds everything, and it weighs 3 pounds. You can't see that. 3 pounds 4. There you go. Turn the light on. 3 pounds 4.5 ounces. So take that off. Zero that out. And then here's the piece that I just put on. or that I just made. And we are looking at 5.5 ounces. Okay, it must have been resting on something on the counter, but there we go. Now it's 6 ounces, but still a savings. Not a big savings, and I knew it wouldn't be, but I just thought that would be interesting to see, and I think it's kind of cool. All right, here it is, all bolted back in place. Now we can move on to other phases of the project. Alright, and now that I've got this back in here, you won't even know that there's been any modifications back here unless you flip that open and you see the white. So, I like it. I hope you do too. And if you choose to make these modifications yourself, like I said, it was really simple. I wanted to show you what it looked like underneath the car before I put the battery and everything in here. I think it looks, well, I mean, it's more sleek, obviously, because we don't have a big bump coming down. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and remember to hit that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. As always, thanks for watching.